Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys hotspot setting. How can we use in our lava phone guys? One by one, step by step guys. In this video guys I will show guys A to Z hotspot full setting. So I don't skip the video guys. So guys without waste time guys we will on our phone setting to use phone hotspot setting in our lava phone. So I scroll it. Friends you can see this type of setting. Friends you will have to click on guys your network and internet setting guys. Friends you can see your hotspot setting. Friends tap here. Friends you can see Wi-Fi hotspot setting guys. You can see your hotspot setting. First of all guys you want to on your hotspot, you can on from here. Then guys you can see first one hotspot name. Guys you can check your hotspot device name. You want to change your hotspot device name, you can change from here. So example guys we change into phone phone hotspot and guys okay. Guys you can see device name will change. Guys you can see security setting. Guys you want to click on this non option. Guys you can click on this non option. Hotspot password setting. Guys you can check from here. You want to change your password, you can change from here guys. Example guys we will change into this one password. As you can see password will change. As you can see AP band setting. As you want to change into 5.0 GSZ band buffer guys, you can change from here guys. You can see advanced settings. So when you can see turn off hotspot automatically when do device are connected. So when no device are connected guys, you want to guys on and off guys your automatically hotspot setting, you can on and off from here. And friends you can share option. So when you want to share your hotspot, so you can share from here. And guys you want to off, you can off from here. So hotspot setting will off, and yes you cannot use your hotspot setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to use hotspot setting in our lava phone. How can we on off, and how can we check password, how can we change password. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on the next video. Bye friends. Guys do have in doubt related to guys your hotspot setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.